Okay, hi everyone. Here is our, writing lesson for lesson 7, 3.7. All right, let me just pull this up. Had it up. There it is. All right. So what we're going to start doing today is, yesterday we talked a little bit about setting goals for writing, but we forgot to actually set our goals. So it's important before you start writing to set your goals. That way you're actually setting something that you're really going to focus working on this time in your writing. So looking at this paper that says set goals for writing, I passed it out. I gave it out to you guys during the when you picked it up. It says 3.4 on the bottom. Okay, it says set goals for writing. So you are going to write a persuasive text. A persuasive text uses facts and examples to persuade a reader's opinion. To persuade a reader's opinion on a topic. Be sure your persuasive text includes a clear opinion statement, details such as facts, statements, and examples, adverbs that answer your questions, prepositional phrases, a strong conclusion that sums up your point of view. So what is your goal? What do you think you struggle with the most? Do you think you struggle the most with including facts? Do you struggle the most with including having a strong conclusion to sum up your writing? Do you struggle the most with grammar and spelling? Do you struggle the most with what? You're going to write the two most things you struggle with on these lines. So on 1 and 2. Okay? And then here you're going to write why goal 1 is your goal, and then why goal 2 is your goal. So for example, a lot of you guys, maybe 2 people in the class knew how to do this well. Everybody else on the last paper, I noticed, were really struggling on summing up your writing, on writing a strong conclusion. A conclusion is the last few sentences of your writing that sums up, that basically summarizes everything you just wrote. So the last writing we did is where we wanted to go, a place we wanted to visit. Remember that? A lot of you guys had a really hard time summing up everything you just wrote and having a strong conclusion. If that was you and you had a hard time doing that, then let's set your goal to work on that part. So write a strong conclusion that sums up my paper. Write that on goal number 1 if you think that is relevant to you. If not, then choose one of these things you're going to work on the most this time, and write the 2 most things you're going to work on these 2 goals. I'm going to give you a few minutes to do that. All-Niners, pause the video now. Okay, so now after we've written down our goals, let's go ahead and get started with today's lesson. So here's an example of a persuasive text. I like to look at examples before we actually jump into our own writing, so you know what I expect of you, okay? So let's read the example they gave us. It says, why dogs are the best pets. This is their topic, not your topic, okay? So they started off by saying, this is what they mean by a strong opening sentence. Do you have a pet? I have a dog. I believe that dogs are the best pets. Okay, so there, he clearly stated his opinion. Clearly, right? You can clearly read his opinion there, right? Next, dogs can help people stay active. Now he's giving us reasons why dogs are the best dogs. Dogs can help people stay active. Many people have fun walking their dogs. Playing fetch with a dog can often bring people joy. Being outside, getting exercise is wonderful for both dogs and humans. Okay, so now he has a fact and many statements that support his main idea or his main topic. Dogs are usually very smart animals. Dogs can learn many tricks. They can also be trained to carefully obey their owners. These are all facts. Dogs are very smart animals. Dogs can learn many tricks. These are facts. You can prove it. They can also be trained to carefully obey their owners. That's all a fact. He wrote a whole bunch of facts. Dogs are very loyal pets. Now, this is his opinion. He thinks they're loyal. Dogs are bundles of excitement. Every time they see you, nothing says, welcome home, like the happily wagging tail of a pet. Look, he's even included quotation marks in his. Wow, I really like that. Why do you think he put quotation marks over welcome home, Destin? No. Who's saying welcome home, Rena? No. Who's saying welcome home, Amariah? The dog. So he's saying that the dog is happily wagging his tail, and it feels like he's telling him welcome home. Nothing says welcome home like the happily wagging tail of my dog. So whenever you have quotation marks, it's what someone or something is saying, right? Dogs bring happiness everywhere they go. This is why dogs make the best pets. And then he has the sources here. That's where he's proving where he found the answers to his questions. These are facts. This is where he found it in Clark, DJ, Why Dogs Make Good Pets. And then in this book or story, I think these are stories, Train Your Dog. So he found the information, showing us where he found his facts or information. That's it. Very simple, right? See how it's very well organized? Yes. Okay, now I'm going to come around and I'm going to pass out a copy of his example to you. Because I like for you guys to use a copy of the example while you're writing your story. If I can just find it, where is it? Oh, not here, not here, not here. Oh, here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna pass out a copy of this, and this is an example of his writing. Okay. All right, my onliners, you should already have this. Okay, so now that everyone has a copy of the persuasive text, we're gonna read it together on 3. Okay, what's the title of the story? No, what is the title? Why dogs are the best pets. Good, let's read it together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Do you have a pet? I have a dog. I believe that dogs are the best pets. Period. Look, this is a new paragraph. Whenever you write a new paragraph, you indent. That means you leave a space between the beginning of the line to where you write the first word. Let's read on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dogs can help people stay active. Many people have fun walking their dogs. Playing fetch with a dog can often bring people joy. Being outside, getting exercise is wonderful for both dogs and humans. Dogs are usually very smart animals. Dogs can learn many tricks. They can also be trained to carefully obey their owners. Look, here's another paragraph. Wait, we don't have it. It's not the record. Oh, you don't? Okay. Oh, it's right here. Okay. I'm going to pass these out. Okay, here we go on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dogs are very loyal pets. Dogs are bundles of excitement. Every time they see you, nothing says welcome home. Happily wagging tail of a pet dog. Dogs bring happiness everywhere they go. This is why dogs make the best pets. And then it says sources, and that's the sources, the 2 books he used to find the information. Okay? Okay, awesome. So now what I'm going to ask you to do is you're going to take out your writing notebook. My onliners, you don't have a writing notebook, so just do it on a piece of paper unless you have one. In your writing notebook, you're going to start writing your draft now. You're going to start writing your paper. I gave you the example. This is how I kind of want your paper to look. Miss Yusuf, am I writing about dogs? No. You're not writing about dogs. You're writing about whatever your topic is. Everyone in here has a different topic. So let's talk about your topics. Leia, what's your topic? No? Okay, I can tell that you guys are very lost. What's your topic, Dustin?
Why do fishes make the good pets?
Yours is what?
Why do fishes make the good pets?
Is that what your topic was? I don't remember that. I thought it was coming on school on Friday.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I can see that everyone is really confused. Take out your papers from yesterday. Brenaya, what was yours?
Do cats make the best pets?
Good. Brenaya's was, do cats make the best pets? What was yours, Amaria? Good. So why do we come to school on Friday? So that's your topic. That's what you're going to write about. JC, what are you going to write about? Good. JC is going to write about, should we wear masks? Guys, we've been working on this for 3 days. It's sad that you don't know what your topic is. What have you been doing in writing for the past 3 days? Okay. Now, does everybody understand what their topic is? That's what you're going to write about. You are going to try to persuade somebody your opinion on that topic. Do you all understand? Does anyone not understand? Good. You may begin. My onliners, go ahead and start. Today you're going to start writing your draft. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you later.